Okay, I laid some samples of some beads down. Obviously this is a nice looking bead. That's not a nice so good looking bead, and that's not a not so nice good looking bead either. The way I achieved this one was I started here and I ended here. You can see the flow. There's a horseshoe effect, or a stacked nickel is what they like to call it. And the way I got that was, if you lay your tip in at a 45-degree angle, you'll get a little higher weld. I can get that effect, but I laid mine down as to push the weld so that it was flat. When you preheat your metal, when you preheat your metal up here, it lets it lay in a lot better. So when you're welding, what it is, I came in and then I came back and looped it around. Came in, heated it up, looped it back around. It's a very fast motion though. Some people horseshoe back and forth. When you're laying horizontal, you just want to kind of overlap. You go in, you come back, heat it back around. Now this bead here, obviously I laid too much metal on the bottom piece, and it shows. This is a solid bar. This is hollow. This is a hollow piece of tubing. So the reason why I wanted to lay it here is because it takes longer for this to heat up and stick than it does this. But I also showed you that I laid too much. So I wanted to actually come in right about here so that when I laid my metal, when it stuck over here, it would be even as I did here. Here is an example of coming too far onto this piece of metal and not getting enough over here on this metal. Neither one of those welds are good enough to hold. This one obviously is.